Alright, we're back again today doing some more repairs on the CRX fender. We've done some more filling on this corner here, and we didn't get that on tape, so I'm going to explain what I've done. I've added quite a bit more resin. I've also wrapped it with the fiberglass mesh so that that's in the resin like we've done on our patch repair here, and I've cut the hole back out, but I've noticed that there's a lot of gas bubbles that were left in the corner, so I'm going to be filling that in today and just kind of doing more shaping to it than anything and filling in the gas bubbles. We're also going to be covering all these holes with the fiberglass mesh and more resin, and we're going to let that dry and recut all these holes out. This one's obviously filled in as well. And then we're also going to be filling in the corner light holes that, well, not completely, but where it was broke out. So I'll mix up some more resin and we'll get to it. Definitely show the corner there, the edge. Here. Let's start by filling these missing sections of the corner light tab area. I've taped the back or the front side of the fender, and I'm just going to go in here and coat this and try not to get it too thick. I can always go back in and add fiberglass mesh after I have a base coat. If you do end up getting a little too thick in here, you can always go back in with a file and file it out. This stuff's really easy to work with when it's dry. It just sands or files away. So now I'm going to try to fill these holes in. Alright, now I'm going to go and paint somewhere. I'm going to add in my fiberglass mesh. I'm going to add the mesh in here and press it down and get it to go into the resin, and then I'll come back and paint more on top of this. But I'm going to continue down the line here. The resin thick enough, it will stay, so you can work on a vertical surface as well, but it's always best if you can to work in a horizontal pattern. Alright, now I'm going to lay my fiberglass mesh in. And we'll go back over all this and coat it. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the rest of this fiberglass at the end. I can always cut this back, but since I have enough resin, I'm gonna go ahead and just coat it all the way out to the edge. Oh, that was not good. Got a little bit of resin down the side of the fender there. That wouldn't really play with that. You can always break that off the paint usually, or just sand it off. Not that big of a deal, but it makes a little bit of a mess. That's about all we have for today.